As you see, I don't eat by the too much food because I don't want to grow very fat. Guys, I've finished having my lunch, so I'm waiting for my friend Zaidi to come and take me to ARA Fishing Lodge. It's near River Nile. Let me call it the White Nile. Begins from West Nile, by the way. So I'll be going there today. I want to refresh my mind. You know me, I like outing. Okay, so let me wait for him. So I've jumped on a motorcycle and I'm going to Arrra. Let me show you, there is something I've just spotted. You see, when you are going or when you're on your way, you spot some mountains or hills. Let me call them hills, but in the background, just like you enter Uganda, you automatically see Banale Hill. What's the name of those hills? Those ones? Eh? What's the name of those hills?
That one?
Yes.
I don't know.
Hey, how can you not be knowing and yet you stay this side? Huh? So it has costed me 5,000 from where I'm staying up to here. Asante. Apande, how are you? I'm okay. Which route should I take? Me, I'm new here. Huh? I'm recording myself. Where should I pass? I communicated yesterday that I'm coming to ARA Fishing Lodge, but I don't know. I spoke to the manager.
Okay.
Which direction? I'm from Bali.
From Bali?
Yeah.
Coming with a motorcycle?
No. I'm just coming from Russia West.
Okay, this side. Are you mad?
No, I'm not.
You can follow these people. They're also going.
I'm myself, I can see only the bush.
I'm in the bush, there's no problem. The place is safe.
So the hotel's the other side.
There's a good thing there.
Is this the entrance? I'm scared.
No problem. You can just move direct and then you follow right hand turn.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay, you know what, guys? When I see something like this, I get scared. But it's not. This is ARA Fishing Lodge. I thought that there are good things the other side. Wow. See me. Guys, I think there is a distance. Wow. See how it looks like. What will I talk about anyway? This is adventure, the Western Nile. So there's rocks. So guys, I'm close to the entrance. I hope it's this one. Yeah, this is it. Okay. School in here, that's our map. Honeymoon. See those mountains. This place looks cool, eh? Let me get close to the river, guys. This is River Nile, but its source is in Kampala. No, it's in there's some parts of Kampala, in Tebe, but it's from Lake Victoria. You see? By the way, guys, I thought I would come with my family members, but they were caught up, so I came here alone, or I've come here alone. But it's very hot. What? It's very hot. It's very hot here, guys. I'm sweating. Wow, people are taking pics from there. Let me also go tell someone to help me. Take me a pic. Guys, this is the source of the Nile. Wow, so hot, guys. What? What's the name of those hills?
That one.
These ones.
The hill? That one or this one?
All of them.
I know that one only.
It's called what?
That one is Icheni.
Chicheni.
Icheni Island.
It's unfortunate we have different accents. Now I can't pronounce like you.
You first pronounce.
Chicheni.
Icheni.
Icheni. Wow. Icheni Island.
Yeah. That is an island.
Let me go sit that side. I can't stand here anymore.
But the chair here.
No. It's too hot. I need I want to sit under a tree.
Okay.
Let me go get some refreshment from under the tree because I can't stand there anymore. It's too hot.
Yes.
Hello. Let me go to the pool side. Why should I sit under the tree for sure? Yeah, I'm coming that side too. We can always light a fire from here. We can sit here and then.
We call it Wango.
You call it what?
Wango.
Wango.
Wango is like fire area or a campfire. Fire area.
Yeah.
Wango in our language.
Wango.
Yeah, Wango.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I don't know how it's called in my language. I don't know for sure.
Yeah. So this is the campfire area.
Okay.
Yeah. So normally when we have people for camping, or we have guests who want to chill around, warm themselves, we do that. We use
Wow.
that. Yeah. And then this basketball area for recreation for those who want to do recreation. Yeah. But we are creating up a more entertaining recreational center near the gate on the left. So football, yeah, basketball, lawn tennis, table tennis, netball, volleyball, all is gonna be there.
Wow, it will be
Yes. So
interesting.
by December is gonna be, we shall launch it by December.
We have to be here, guys, by this.
29th of
I'll come for sure. I'll come.
29th of September we are launching the
Anyway, go on.
Somewhere else. Those are cottages. Okay.
That is what?
These are the cottages. Wow.
Okay.
Okay, let us take the fruit. We shall come back and see the cottages, guys. So people out there, you should come and visit ARA Fishing Lodge here in Adjumani.
We just within nature.
Others are here.
Mani bed mod jango mai leopard. Well we mod kani kai mi to bed garden Canada.
What I know, someone can even hold a wedding from here.
Oh,
It's so big.
We're hosting wedding in December here.
Okay.
Wedding.
Light no balcony can do so.
Over that MP is waiting here. The current flood by.
I'm in love with this place, guys. I should spend a night here for sure.
This one can give you triple dream, those who have not wedded.
Guys, what do you think about ARA?
We do a lot of farming.
Okay.
So this guy is planting tangawizi and turmeric.
Okay.
So this is another campsite.
Farm, eh?
Another campsite.
Okay, come.
So we put tents here, but we have different locations for camping. Yeah.
So you own the tent within the. You have
Yes, we have tents and everything.
Oh. How much is a tent?
It's 70, but when you come, we give you 50.
Okay.
or 60.
50. You want 60, we can give you. But we shall give you 50.
Or for 10.
A tent, yes. Tent with bedding, mattress, and then...
Kids playground, guys. They even have a kids playground.
Yes. But our tents are bigger. Yes. Just 50,000 instead of 70. We give you discount of 20,000.
Okay, now if you are coming for camping tent, you're not getting into the rooms.
Yes.
That is 50 per night.
50 per night, yes.
Okay.
It's supposed to be 70 per night.
Okay.
But we go
So
50,000.
So now, what about the issue of food, dinner, like you?
Food now.
That is separate.
Separate. You order from the menu. But with that 50, we can give you breakfast.
Okay.
Yes, we give you breakfast. You have shower.
This is also a garden.
This is a spice farm.
Wow.
You can open. Here's the key. This is our little play area. You have family. Yes.
Should bring here my baby. She plays.
Yeah. And the other is the fish farming.
That
Yeah.
one, yeah?
Yeah, fish cage farming on the Nile.
Okay.
Yeah, so December the fish you eat will come from there.
Within the lakes.
Within yes.
Within the water itself.
So this is our new spice farm.
Guys, this is a spice farm. Just so they get everything from here. The fish, spices,
Get everything fresh from the garden.
I can take one here.
Yeah, you take.
I can take one here.
Deadly.
I love this place,
I can
guys.
take one here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Speaking chili.
Go away. Yeah. So this farm is up to there, and we do our own fertilizers.
Not this one from.
That was organic. We just
Yeah.
pick leaves here. Yes.
You don't have bananas, you don't grow bananas this
We
side?
do matoke.
Where is the farm?
Oh, we have
Very
passed.
far. It's okay.
Yeah, we're gonna go there. So let's move to the next farm.
Guys, I've gotten a friend here. He's telling me that we should sit on this swing together. Okay. Once we break it, they say the kids,
Your camera is good.
no, mine is here. You just use that. Use it. What are they saying? No, you're speaking. What?
This one here.
Actually, I can't even
I'm
hear.
saying we are going to give him a penalty.
For what?
By the time he reaches to Gulo,
For what? That's because of thing, and now you want to penalize me. It's okay, we can continue.
No, Bale, they don't like cows.
For us, you pay cows. Come on.
But we don't know where they come from. But every evening they all come and sleep in the island there.
Wow.
I can hear one is not starting shouting.
They will still go and sleep there. They come here, they eat what in the evening.
Something like that in Ulo.
Yeah.
Yeah, with our
So he's
men,
taking us where
our
the
team.
ranch came
Yeah, where we
from.
go with our goats or whatever.
This is the aviary.
Up here.
It's a modern farm for birds, special birds, ornamental birds. We have the goose.
You can see them.
Yeah, this is JB. He's the farm manager here at the aviary farm. So, like he's trying to communicate with them. They have become his brothers. Yeah, he has become their fathers. Yeah.
Goose.
Yeah.
That goose.
Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
They enjoying so much.
The problem is they're hearing different sounds.
These are very nice. They have this thigh here. The thigh is like.
Yeah, the other one is.
Very, very nice.
That one.
This is the blue one is the peacock. Yeah. And then we have the guinea fowl, the different varieties. And then we have Mr. Loco Chicken also is surviving.
He's surviving around.
He was produced by one of the silk German birds. I think it's a local bird that make it. So, you know, an African bird is always stronger. So he came out
Strong.
Came out strong.
Goose.
This is the bee farm, right? So you just collect honey from here. You don't even buy from.
I see the bees inside.
Yeah, I can see them. So they cannot come out and attack.
They can't. They can't. Okay.
This is so big.
So we do set rock breakfast.
Oh.
We set breakfast in between the rocks. Put your table set for you with 5 what?
Oh, yeah, this is what I think most people should do. We should not look at only the lodge.
Yeah, like for us, we combine agrotourism.
Yeah.
That is it. And marine tourism.
Marine, eh?
Yeah. People like that. We had the judges.
Do we hope the fingers are not in the camera?
No, no. Me, I'm not a senior cameraman anyway. You may find again.
Because now the whole world will actually see what Arrra is. Guys, when I should stand here. Guys, all this is ARA Fishing Lodge. You should come. For those of you who want to pray, there is a free prayer mountain this side. Yeah, you can see that. No, I like sitting near rocks or on rocks. Wow. And what's down there?
Greenhouse.
Okay.
For planting fresh vegetables.
Okay.
Yeah. We can pass there. Let's go.
Here. Okay.
Yeah. We can have there's a road here. Breakfast. We can
Okay.
have prayers here.
Yeah, prayers mostly.
Private parties. Private meetings between the rocks.
We slope down here.
Yeah, yeah. Yes. You have seen that?
Yeah, I've seen that. So guys, we're going back to the reception. I need to have a drink. I'm very, very thirsty.
Okay. That's the greenhouse.
So that's a greenhouse where they plant or grow their vegetables. Just not they all grow everything here.
You can see some inside.
It's okay. Where are we passing here?
Yeah.
This side? Eh?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Even Osobi is smelling here. Osobi, I can smell it. Greenhouse. Another. Guys. Rocks are here.
So this is used for greeting students, tourists, before entering the greenhouse.
Okay.
Yeah, resting for.
There is even a shed.
Yeah. Sebo, you want to enter inside? Bulao.
What?
Baboons.
So the baboons are inside the other side.
They sleep the other side, the
No.
neighborhood, and then they come here. Tend to disturb chef in the kitchen for food.
Chef.
Between 10 and 11, they always ambush him. Yeah.
Which irrigation?
We are using drip irrigation.
Okay.
Yes. So we expose the seedlings out for sunlight so that to receive enough sunlight.
Okay.
Yes.
And this is
That one is land prepared for transplanting.
okay.
Yes, there's net has been planted there.
Oh,
Okay, so down here with a nursery bed of onion.
oh,
Down
onion.
here.
There's the onions, nursery bed for onions.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is a drip irrigation.
So these ones are small seedlings waiting for
Yeah, seedlings
transplanting.
here.
Yeah.
We have diverse sweet and green pepper.
Where is green pepper on this?
Yeah, this one is green pepper. We have this one is diverse sweet.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
So all this land for transplanting. So I think after 2 weeks we're gonna transplant in
Okay.
all these
The
units.
nice ways of now
Yeah.
Greek.
So guys, when you're coming to ARA Fishing Lodge, don't expect only sleep and swim. You expect to see a lot. You know, I didn't even think about farming, but now they have told me they have farms, nursery beds, gorilla trekking also.
Yes. Mountain hiking.
Mountain